1260, take a bid, 1260, start around, 1260, 1260, Robbie Old, 1260.
Yeah, hi ladies and gentlemen, my name's Dane Perczyk, work for Alex Scott and staff, reporting here today from our fortnightly Leongatha Store Sale in South Gippsland, Victoria. The combined agency today, ladies and gentlemen, yarded 3,700 cattle, 3,800 cattle, in a very good yarding of cattle. A couple of feature lines of drafts of calves here today, 400 odd calves in one draft, 300 odd calves in another draft. So yeah, big drafts of calves, and these are spring drop calves that are coming to hit the market now.
1450 for most, 1400 lot, selling the lot, but I'm going that way. 50 the lot, 50 the lot, 1450 the lot, 1450 now they go! I've got 1450 the lot. How many you take it? 1550 for 8. 1550 for 8. 1500 the lot. 1500 the lot, there you go. 1500 the lot. 1500 the lot, 1500 the lot, 1500 now they go! 1500! Quick! Hurry! Heads!
What we're finding now, ladies and gentlemen, is that with winter only a month away, there's a few cattle that have been saved or held in the paddock for the job to pick up. Probably hasn't picked up where we wanted it to. These cattle are now hitting the market as well, along with these autumn drop calves. So yeah, fair few cattle here, 3,700 like I said. Probably don't normally see that many this time of year, but anyway, we'll see what May brings. A couple of sales in May.
Properly bred, well weaned, 2 5-in-1s, had the multi in, 1250, 1200. Yeah, Alicia, got a price in mind? I'm at 1,000, is that right? I'm at 1,000, $1,000. I'm at 1,000, $1,000. Money staring in the face here. I'm at $1,000.
Here today, ladies and gentlemen, the heavy steers, 500 to 600 kilos. They make consistently from about 380 to 420. That's 500 to 500 to 600 kilos. They're black steers. Now, if you had a pen of Hereford steers and they were 500 to 600 kilos, you could have dropped back down to $3.60 a kilo. Your 400 to 500 kilo steers here today, ladies and gentlemen, they consistently made $3.90 to $4.30. So that was good. Your weaners, your 300 plus kilo weaners, from 300 to 380 kilos, they made $4 to $4.80. Most of them in around $4.40, $4.50. Once you dropped off, ladies and gentlemen, under your 300 kilo calves, your 200 to 250, 280 kilos, you jumped up into that higher cents per kilo, which was consistently sort of $4.50 to $5. An odd sale, $5.10, $5.15, but they were 220, 230 kilos, lightweight calves.
These steers are a pleasure to handle, beautiful quiet steers there. Like as you look, they're those steers there, 1750, 1750, 1700. 1620 got, 1620, 1620 the bit, straight in the centre, 1620 got, beautiful black steers, 1621. Probably,
guys, ladies and gentlemen, today what felt at the effects of the lower prices was the heifers. Heifers 250 to 350 kilos. Gee, not making much more than $3.20 to $3.80. A lot of them in around that $3.40, $3.50. That were coming back at that $1,000 to $1,200. So in general, ladies and gentlemen, steers sold well, in places marginally better. Not a lot of crossbred cattle here today. 2/3, 80% of the yarding was all better bred cattle. Buy of the day was your heifers. You could come in, I thought heifers very, very viable. Anyway, so thanks a lot, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what May brings.
Are you partnered with an RMA Network independent livestock and property agent?